Welcome to Photoshop tricks under 2 minutes. First, open your image. If you don't have your rulers enabled, go to View, and select Rulers. Then drag a guide that will serve as the boundary of your text. Using your pen tool, with the path selected, trace the side of the subject, including your guides. Next, choose the horizontal type tool, and click in the middle of your path. Now paste your text inside. You may now choose your font and adjust the size and line height. Then go to Paragraph, and select Right Align Text. Also click Justify All. There you have it, the fastest and simplest way to wrap your text into a subject. That's under 2 minutes. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. See you on the next video and thank you for watching.